I'm about to show you something that will blow your mind. A tool, application that will help you get 1,000 subscribers, watch hours, grow and get monetized, and achieve any and every other goal you have for your YouTube channel really fast. I started using this tool not long ago, and it has been a game changer for me. It has helped me grow my YouTube channel really fast in terms of views, subscriber, and even revenue. So this tool is going to help you with creating videos, generating video ideas, creating the video, optimizing the video. You need to watch this video to the end because the last tip will blow your mind. Now, guess what? This tool is absolutely free, which means anybody can use it. Whether you're just starting out, you haven't done anything with content creation, you've been in this game for years, you are an expert, there's always something for you from this free tool. Not only will I tell you what the tool is or even tell you what you can achieve with it, I'm going to go on to break down, giving you the exact thing you are going to use to get this amazing result for yourself. What you didn't know is that even this video you are watching right now, this tool helped me a whole lot in creating it. So after watching this video, all your problems with creating videos and getting views on your videos will be solved. As a small creator, you and I know that the biggest struggle we have is coming up with video ideas that will get a lot of views, creating the video, and even optimizing the video. That's exactly what this tool does for you. So it's actually handing over to you everything you need to grow your YouTube channel and get monetized. So are you ready to blow up on YouTube, creating videos that will go viral? If you are ready, I want to show you this tool. So let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka, and on this channel, we talk about making money and growing your YouTube channel. If this is the kind of thing you love, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. As a YouTuber, as a content creator, if you've not started using ChatGPT to come up with video ideas that are bound to rank, refine the idea with ChatGPT, write the video itself, and even optimize the video to make sure that the algorithm ranks your video, you start getting views, then it might be the reason why your videos have not been getting thousands of views. This will blow your mind. I am not just going to talk about ChatGPT. I'm going to tell you a lot of things that you did not know about this tool called ChatGPT. In fact, I'm going to expose how big creators use this ChatGPT to make all these videos you watch and like, oh my God, this video is so good and all of that. I can't believe I'm giving you all of it for free, but I'm going to give it to you because I want you to grow your YouTube channel and get monetized. So I'm here to spill the tea, giving you all the important information you need to create viral videos using just one tool called ChatGPT. I will show you how to use ChatGPT to come up with video ideas that are bound to do well, get thousands of views, how to refine the idea, how to create the video itself using ChatGPT. I will show you how to optimize your videos step by step. So by the time you upload this video on your YouTube channel, you are very sure that you've played your part. Then the algorithm picks up from where you stopped. This is how to make videos that go viral. So ChatGPT is that intelligent and smart friend that's always by your side, anytime, any day, willing to give you vital information that will help you achieve whatever goal you want to achieve. Here is exactly how to use ChatGPT to grow your YouTube channel as a YouTuber. Easy peasy. The first step is to introduce yourself to ChatGPT. This is actually the game changer that is going to transform the quality of information ChatGPT gives you the very moment you issue a prompt. So the first thing you need to do is to go on ChatGPT and introduce yourself. Tell ChatGPT who you are. In fact, mention your name. Tell it who you are, what you do, what you would need help with. So you know how you introduce yourself to a friend the first day you meet. That's exactly how you are going to do it. So let's demonstrate it. And by the way, you can actually use ChatGPT on your phone. It is an app you can download. Just go on Google Play and download it. Now you have that intelligent and smartest friend right on your phone to help you anytime, any day. So here is a personalized prompt to issue ChatGPT to make sure that the kind of information or result it gives you is top notch. Hello ChatGPT, my name is, put your name here. I'm going to say my name is Joy. I am a YouTuber and I make videos on cooking and lifestyle. My videos cut across African delicacies and recipes. I publish video once every week on my YouTube channel. Here is a link to my channel. Copy a link to your YouTube channel and put it here. It helps you ChatGPT to understand who you are, what you do, and it will help a whole lot in refining the kind of result it gives you. So go on and talk about other things that are important. I am also very active on other platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I would love you save these details about me, because moving forward, I would love to share ideas with you, getting you to help me with content creation and every other information I need as a content creator. Now that you fed ChatGPT information about you, it has actually captured the most important things about you. This will help a whole lot in refining whatever answers or result it gives you. In fact, every time you want to issue prompts to ChatGPT that has to do with your work and YouTube activities, you need to remind ChatGPT that it is you talking. So whatever information is going to give you will be tailored to who you are as a creator. The next thing is to get to work. Let's go on and generate video ideas that we're going to create. Go on and issue a prompt based on your niche. Here is one of the examples. Hi ChatGPT, based on the information I already given to you, I want you to generate 5 video ideas that are bound to go viral in my niche. Make it SEO optimized and itemize them. Give me details that shows that this video is going to go viral. Use relevant examples as well as bullet points where necessary to give me these 5 video ideas I can make for my audience. Make it relatable and fun. This is where it gets interesting. You can go as far as telling ChatGPT the tone to write this script on. Make it fun and relatable. Make it official. Just whatever tone you want it to write it in, go on and put it in this prompt and then click on send and watch the magic being displayed here, guys. This is the power of ChatGPT, and I bet you didn't know. ChatGPT is the smartest guy in the room, and you just have to have this friend on your phone. Now, you need to watch this video to the end, because very soon I will take this video down. It is not going to be a free video after some time. So go on and watch it right now. Gather all you can before it's made premium content. Now, ChatGPT has generated 5 video ideas you can create right now that will help you get a lot of views. If for any reason you don't like it, you can still go on and ask it to regenerate it, and it's going to tweak it and get you a different version of what we have here. Absolutely amazing. So now that we have these video ideas, you need to sit down and go through all of them and see the one you can create. Of course, you can always tweak it, refine what is given to you. You can even merge 2 different topics into one. Also, remember that ChatGPT is not human being, so it's bound to make mistakes. Even human beings make mistakes. So you need to always go through it, perfect it before you go on to create the video. Now that we've gotten the video idea, the next is to go on and create the video. And guess what? ChatGPT will still do it for you, generating the very best script for you. So you need to give ChatGPT information, make it as detailed as possible to help it get you a very unique and best script that will rank. Thank you, ChatGPT. I need you to create a fully optimized video script on. Put the title of the video you want. You can as well go on to say on the first or second video idea you generated, I need this video to be fully optimized to rank on YouTube. Give as many examples as possible. Tell stories. Use bullet points. Make the script fun. Now watch the magic take place. ChatGPT is writing a video script for us. So we simply go on to convert this script to a full video that is going to rank. Guys, this is magical. Have a look at the script generated. ChatGPT didn't just tell us what to say. It even went on to explain when to insert an image, the kind of image to insert, the music, like every single thing you need about video creation is covered here, guys. This is amazing. So now that we have the script, the next thing is to go through the script and refine your script. It is very important you refine it. So the video is ready now. The next thing is to optimize the video and publish it on your YouTube channel. Now, ChatGPT comes in handy again. You can actually ask ChatGPT to generate a video title that will rank for this video. The video is ready, guys. You just need to go on and upload this video on your YouTube channel. Now, ChatGPT is not meant to do the whole work for you, just garbage in, garbage out. As a smart person, the whole idea is to give you idea, insight into what to do. Then you go on to refine it. Sometimes you just need to pick the ideas and then go on to fleshing it out yourself. Sometimes you just pick the examples you give, just whatever you're going to do to make this content yours. This is magical, right? Especially how I broke it down step by step with the prompts you can easily use. If you got value from this video, let me know in the comment section. I mean, go to the comment section and let me know that you got massive value from this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? What are you still waiting for? Go on and hit that subscribe button. I want to be your friend. So connect with me by subscribing to the YouTube channel. If you got value from this, please give this video a thumbs up and remember to share it with your family and friends. There's somebody on your list who needs to watch this video to learn how to use ChatGPT to do amazing things in their work, life, and businesses. See you in my next video.